And hope you are well, guys. Welcome to Rokon Cyber. I am Kim Rokon John here. So today I will on live. I will recover and suspended Facebook account. So let's start video. So if you need any kind of cybersecurity related help, can message me on. You can see here my contact details, or you can check the description. So let's start now. So at first I will just log in the Facebook account which has been suspended. You can see here that this is the account and I already download this information as file, and I will make a card here. So now I will just recover in 1 or 2 minutes only. Okay, so I just came to facebook.com. Okay, for my internet issue sometimes it need too lot of time. You can see here download information, dark mode and logout, and you can see here the upload your id options. So now I will upload id and pack this account into 3 or 5 minutes. You can check the time here, 3 into 48 p.m. 8:26. Okay, so now I will just inspect this and I will make this an iPhone or relevant any mode you can. Then I will just reload this page. Okay, just do it. After mobile mode you can see this type of interface. I will just click on upload, and then I will just select the card from here. Then I will just click on open. Okay, after open you can see here that showing my card. For security purpose I will just blur this, and then I will click on submitted button, and it's now 3 into 49 p.m. Okay, let's see how many times needed to pack this account. Okay, I will just take an any screenshot from here. Okay, okay, then I will just reload this page from here. Okay, okay, it's now pending. You can see the current date when it has been first appeal date are showing here 22 August 2026, and it's now 26 August when my clients given this account to me. Okay, I will just again reload this page. Okay, maybe needed 1 or 2 minutes more. Hmm. Okay, there is no change of this time here. I will just again refresh the page, and it will 100% will be recovered. Okay, just it has been recovered. I will show you. Just I will again reload this page here from here, and then you can see that on live that 3 into 50 m. Okay, I will just again reload. Maybe for internet issues. Okay, you can see here that 3 into 50 p.m. and I just recovered this account. Okay, you can see the account here. All right, thanks for watching this video. For any kind of help can message me. Thank you for watching.